Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home, and at the same time you all must be preparing very well, working very hard for your upcoming half-yearly assessment. Now students, as in the previous few videos, you might be understood the concept how to upload your assignments in the Pocket Study e-assignment section. Now related to that, today I am going to help you out with some new features and at the same time some betterment when you are uploading your assignment. Why I am giving you this solution, or you can say this kind of video session, the reason behind it is when we have given you the revision part, at that very moment many of the students have submitted the assignment and they have attempted the assignment very well, but at the time of correction the most, or you can say the maximum number of difficulties which we face was the clarity. The images uploaded by you people were not that much clear. Sometimes the image was blackish, sometimes the content was not clear, sometimes the image is found in such a way that some of the solution part is missing because it was being you can say cropped by the camera. So because of all this, and sometimes you feel like when you click the image from a very low height, a great height, apart from the image there are lot of extra things coming into the picture, like the bed sheet or the legs, hands and extra materials, which we feel that it should not be there in the answer sheet. So for that I am here with the solution for you all, and the solution is a very simple and a small size app which you can easily install in your phone by using Play Store. So what is that app? The app is Clear Scanner. What you have to do, very first open the Play Store and then you have to write Clear Scanner. Once you will write Clear Scanner, you can see that the app will open in your phone, and what you have to do is to install. In just few seconds only it will get installed in your phone. Now once the installation part is done, the Clear Scanner app will be visible on your mobile screen. After that, when you have to upload your assignment, when you will open this Clear Scanner app, it will ask you some of the permissions. So for that you have to click Allow. After that, whatever assignment which you have done in your notebook, you have to scan that assignment, and for that when you will click this camera icon, it will ask some permissions and you have to make them allow. Then just take your camera, focus your camera and choose the auto brightness option here, that means your flash option, and then click an image. Once you will click the image, you will see the green margin on all the four sides. With the help of your finger itself by the touch screen, you can just adjust the portion which you want to select on the portion on which you have done the work. After that, put a tick. That means you have to select this tick portion here, and as you can see that a very clear image of the written portion is there. Here there are few options: clear, dock, photo. So whatever you feel like best, you can select that one. Clear students? Now this is one part. That means we have selected one image. If you want to select multiple images, then once again you can click the camera icon and then select another page which you have done for your assessment. Then again with the margin, with the adjustment of the green margin, you can adjust and click on the tick button in the right corner, the lower right corner. Now here the clear image, then dock image, you can see a photo image. If I feel that photo image is better, then I will select this photo image by clicking on the right button. Now if you have to select some more images, then once again you will click on the camera icon and then the green margin will be there. You can adjust the green margin from all the sides, from the top, from the bottom, and at the end what you have to do, Once you are final with the selection part that yes, the document which you have attempted is clear, take the button, that means click on the right button and select the best image which you choose according to yourself. Once it is done, after that you can see that we have scanned 3 of the document, and if we are done, then the next step is to save these documents in the gallery. Once you will click it, it will ask you whether you want to save it, so you have to select OK. After that, the message will be there that pages are saved to the gallery. Now you can cross check also by going into your mobile gallery, select on the recent documents and or you can say the images, and here you can see that as we have scanned 3 images, it is visible. Now the next step is to upload the assignment in your Pocket Study app. I know that you all must be aware that how to upload, or you can say how to add the images one by one in the e-assignment module submission box. That's all for this video. I hope this will help you out to send a clear image. Why it is necessary? Because when you are sending an image, or you can say a work, an assignment which is quite blur, or you can say something dark, or you can say the written part is not clear to the teachers, then it will be a bit difficult for all the teachers to make the correction in the best manner. So I wish that you all must use this app, which is a very convenient and easy. There will be no hustle bustle in this, and there will be no problem which you will face while scanning the documents. It is very easy and very handy also to use. So kindly use this app, scan your document through it and upload in the same manner. That's all for the video. Thank you and use this app.